Moving in at Moonee Valleys, we check in with the full market. Let's Went has eased. Money's come for Sea Rover from the John Hawkes team, also for Benmore, which is widely drawn. Damien Oliver with the ride. And there's the full-time, should I say, the full market as we check page 2. Correct weight we have at Doomben, and after this off to Murray Bridge for their feature race, the listed Murray Bridge Gold Cup. Race 6 at the Valley.
Just the last 4 to move in then. Let's Went, good fresh, likes the track, likes the soft ground. It's the favourite ahead of Caristar, who did very well in the last preparation. This mare came along to win a race in town, albeit restricted, but started as a maiden in that preparation. Sea Rover should use the inside gate and take some running down, although perhaps the inside isn't really an advantage when, particularly since all the rain came. Interesting to see how it pans out for him. Sacred Model comes up. Benmore's going to be the last to go in. Damien Oliver on board has the outside of the 12.
Racing, and they're broken in a good line without Deep Sacred Model, one of the first to show at Benmore from a wide gate, and hunting up Sea Rover on the inside with Paris Rock. Caristar is handy. Let's Went driving through nearer the inside from Rich Ruby Red, further back Silver Logie. Now under pressure back at the tail already is Station Ruler's a fall. Paris Rock's down, and Sir Dolphin has been able to escape that, but the bad fall there with Paris Rock through the gap, 600 out, and Sea Rover on the inside, a half Sacred Model. Benmore out 3 deep, a length away, Caristar. Let's Went hunting up on the inside, followed by Silver Logie, Rich Ruby, Red and Darvalon, and further back Bellis on the turn, 350 out, Sea Rover by nearly a length, Sacred Model. Let's Went goes up on the inside, waiting for a run, then Caristar, Benmore, Silver Logie and Rich Ruby Red in the straight, and Sea Rover in front of Sacred Model. Let's Went hooking around heels, then comes Rich Ruby Red, and down the outside Caristar, Silver Logie, but Sea Rover is clear of Sacred Model, 50 metres out, Silver Logie running on strongly, but Sea Rover is too good. Sea Rover first, scored by just over 2 lengths. Second, I think Let's Went from Sacred Model in a photo with Silver Logie, and on the inside Darvalon, further back Caristar, then Rich Ruby Red, Sir Dolphin, followed by Station Ruler Bellis. Benmore was last over the line, and that tumble down there with the horse Paris Rock, and the jockey who was on Paris Rock, let's pick him up, Darren Gauci, unfortunately, has come to grief in a very nasty fall.
Number 3, Sea Rover, Steve King, 622.10. Photo the Miners, 1 Let's Went, $1.60. 11 Sacred Model at a dividend of $25.60 for number 13.
Ridden by Stephen King. Second placing to number 1, Let's Went, Mark Pegas, and third, number 13. And that is Sacred Model, ridden by nobody. Haven't got a rider on it.
Mark Zara.
Mark Zara. Okay, thanks, Andrew. The winner here is number 3, Sea Rover, ridden by Stephen King. The jockey that's had this nasty tumble, Darren Gauci, with the ambulance men with him, ironically, the number 1 rider for the Hawks camp here in Victoria, but he's taken the ride on Paris Rock, and Stephen King rode the winner, Sea Rover. Number 1, second, Let's Went, Mark Pegas, and 13 gets third, Sacred Model, ridden by Mark Zara. The winner, Sea Rover, by Lake Coniston, out of Sortie, a marauding mare, raced by Woodlands, John Hawkes, Steve King.
All right, they're about to move in at the Gold Coast. Speedy Gonzalez, number 1.
Away quick.